Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because tomorrow is my birthday and I finally got my Jeffree Star and Morphe palette along with the brushes, and I'm going to use them today to kind of test the waters, see what it's about. I've seen everybody's reviews, but you know what? It's not like mine because I didn't try it. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. Oh my goodness. Look at these colors. Oh my god. I'm excited to try them on and see how they apply to my face. Let me see. Yeah, it's kind of like set already. Okay, so we're just going to jump right into it. oh my goodness. For how much you pay for this thing, it's definitely worth it. The glitter, the pressed glitter, I had to try it just because it's just something he hasn't done. I'm like, oh my god, I want to do it. It's not like something I'm dying to have, but I'm so happy he did put this in the palette for the price range. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes, I'm going to be using this, yes. And the brushes, they worked like a dream. I feel so pretty, like a little Barbie using these. So yeah, I would definitely buy these too. Thank you guys for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.